Hi friends, it's Katrina Kennedy. We are not talking about PowerPoint today. We are talking about music, specifically music in virtual training. Music is a powerful thing. It can make us feel emotions, it can make us happy, sad. It can also help us to remember. So when we use it really intentionally in virtual training, we can get great benefit. So let me show you how. The first thing that we need to do when using music in Zoom, Teams, or WebEx is to share our sound to the meeting. So in Zoom, I'm going to go to the share button and I'm going to select share sound. This is kind of standard way to do it in all the platforms. Once I've done that, then any music I share from my computer can be heard by anyone in training with me. So now I have to select the music that I want to play. And there are a multitude of options. Anything on my computer I can share in the virtual space. Now, be mindful of copyright. And in order to avoid any copyright issues, Zoom's made that a little bit easier for us. If we go into apps, you will find music as an app. And once you download that app, you can go ahead and select it, and then you have an array of music to choose from. Anything from classic to pop to rock to hip hop, punk, you'll find it there. So you can look through all of your choices, find something that's going to really work well for what you want to do. I like to use music in the beginning of class, in that awkward, quiet moment as people are coming in, provides some energy and makes it a little bit more engaging. I also like to use music before break or when people return from break or breakout rooms to add a little energy as well. And then also when you want people to work alone or quietly reflect, music without words can be really powerful. Just be really intentional about your music. Be mindful that not everyone loves everything. And for some people, it can create too much cognitive load. So we want to use it sparingly, but very, very intentionally. And once I've selected music, I'll show you options in just a moment, I want to try to also make sure I've selected fade in and fade out. This will help music to be less abrupt when you start and finish it, and it saves you having to adjust the volume. So let's go ahead and look through the music and see what we can find. So if I go to brainstorm, let's just say that we're going to do a brainstorm. I select brainstorm. Now I have a lot of options to choose from. So let's go ahead and listen to one. So I can decide if that's right for my audience, if that's right for the moment of brainstorming that we need. And if I like it, I can select the favorite. And the nice thing about the favorites is I can come back to the main app and all my favorites are collected. So here you'll find my intro music. It's upbeat, creates some energy when people arrive. I also have my breakout music. It's nice transitional. And my music when we want to quietly reflect. Now, the nice thing about music too is that anyone in class with me can modify the volume on their side, so they can adjust it to what's going to work best for them. We can also have a little fun with it. Like use a little Beethoven, maybe for those moments where you're waiting for a response, waiting for someone to say something. You have lots of options with music. Use it intentionally, be mindful of how you're using it, and have fun with it. Also, let me know what works for you. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.